You must have wondered what exactly is inside of that bulging pimple on your face, which you hate so much. Hello and welcome, beautiful people, to A Healthy Dose. I am Dr. I. Let's get healthier, happier, and stronger together. It's probably worse than you think. That white pus inside your pimple is a mixture of 4 ingredients: bacteria, dead skin cells, white blood cells, and an oily waxy material called sebum. Under the right conditions, these 4 ingredients create the perfect storm for infection. Here is how. Inside each pore of your skin are tiny sacs called sebaceous glands. These glands secrete an oily material called sebum, which lubricates and waterproofs your hair, but that's not the only thing. Sebum is an energy source for a type of bacteria called Propionibacterium acne. Normally, Propionibacterium acne lives harmoniously in and on your skin, but sometimes it gets out of control. And that's when the trouble starts. Your sebaceous glands grow more active when you reach puberty. They generate a surplus of sebum. The excess sebum can clog your pores. The pore becomes a food fest for bacteria, which start to multiply out of control. This triggers alarms in your body, which identifies the infestation as a threat. So your body dispatches white blood cells to the area to fight off the bacteria. As a result, the area becomes inflamed, causing the skin at the surface to swell and redden. The swelling becomes worse when you pop the pimple. Popping the pimple opens a gateway for additional bacteria on your fingers to enter the area. This worsens the already infected pore. So the next time you have the urge to pop a pimple, consider the consequences. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.